That's it.
What? The plate. Where can I get the plate?
Hey, the plate.
Huh? This is the side of the meat. Oops, got something stuck. Done.
Longgan lang ang kinuha ko lahat to. Bukusin ko yung longgan doon. Doon pa sa dito pa nag-dry dock si Ted, oh. Tatawid pa siya dito. Nate, you can use the television, Nate.
But there's Chinese.
It's a Chinese, it's okay.
Mom, we're going? Mom, how are we supposed to get the mom? Huh?
1, 2, 3. We find the mall. I don't know where is it.
I think this way. I want to go this way, Mom. I want to go this way.
This way. Remove your mask. I take your picture. Remove your mask, Nate. One, two, three. Okay, let's go. Let's go, Nate.
It's a beach.
You can take a picture here also. 1, 2.
Mom, I don't feel something. It's so, for me, I'm not cold.
Nate, you can take a picture there.
Oh, please.
Here, Nate.
Come
Come here. Here. You need to take a picture. 1, 1, 2, 3. Remove your mask. Okay. Sus, ni Saka pa dyan na siya, oy. You're so cute, Nate.
I don't see. Ah, I cannot see.
Come on. Uy! What is that?
I'm doing a dinosaur. Can I see?
Okay, you can. Another side, Nate.
One sec. One second. Yeah.
Let's go.
I just like punching.
Pusing talaga.
Ash, break.
Nathan, don't go. Go, let's go. Let's go.
Look up there.
What is that?
It's a temple.
Castle? Ah, yeah.
It's a
There's a castle.
mountains. There's a radio.
Dito kami, babes, naglakad-lakad, oh.
Beautiful. It's so
You like to go there, Nate? Let's go. Let's go other side.
Oh, Mom, come on, we can go there.
Okay.
Mom, let's go take a photo. Let's go take a photo.
Okay, 1, 2. Ang model ko, aba.
I'm doing model.
Okay, go.
Mom, if you fall here, it's okay. But if you fall here, I will be injured.
Nagpapayat ang anak mo rito, babe, oh. Ang layo na narating namin, mga 30 minutes na kami nagwo-walk. Pero sa kanya, takbo sa kanya eh. Ang layo na ni Big Boy, oh. Dito ata yung barko mo, babe, so. Saan kaya barko mo dito, babe?
Mom, let's go run together.
Nathan, I don't like run.
For the diet.
Because my feet is hurt.
3. Mom, it looks like a hopper.
Babe, nandito na kami, oh. Malapit na kami sa barko mo.
The water's so dirty.
Layo ng ano namin, na walking ni Big Boy, yun. Doon lang yung hotel, oh. Yung pinakamataas na building, yun yung hotel namin. Isang oras din tayo naglalakad ni Tan. Ha? Ha? Tontuwa naman to sa paglalakad ng Big Boy. Pinapatakbo niya ako, kaya lang masakit kasi yung ankle ko. Na-spring kasi yung ano ko. Na-spring yung aking paa. Na-spring, ang sakit eh. Gusto ko sanang tumakbo. Babe, so, nandito ka na MCS. Kumurapit ka dyan.
What the heck?
Guys, balik na tayo sa hotel.
Stop.
Okay.
And
3,
2,
2, 1, go! Running siya, oh. Okay, pag-run lang dadadodong. Yung dagat to, kulay brown. Madumi to sa ano. Marami kasi nagdadry dock na barko dito. Balik na tayo sa hotel. Babe, balik na kami, babe. Ayun yung barko mo, babe, oh. Ayun yung bangka mo na sinasakyan pag pumapasok ka dito. Ang haba ng ano, tulay, oh. Puro pa picture ang Big Boy, aba. Nagbo-model lang to dito sa shipyard, babe, ang anak mo. Grabe, oh. Mga shipyard dito, ang dami. Yan, nagda-dry dock lahat yan. Diba? Kitang-kita lahat. Ang aking anak ko sa gaganda-ganda na ng big boy ko. Ito na kami, oh. Huy! Dula-dula pa dyan ang big boy, oh. No funk. Yeah, here, no funk. One, two. I wish that I could be like that.
This is broken.
Grabe yung dumi ng dagat to. Brown ang kulay.
Bahoy.
Take a photo here, Nate. One, two. Okay, together with mommy. Dito na kami napunta, oh. Naglakad kami dito, Bibso, sa may ano, International Hotel. Punta na kami dito ng Big Boy. Tapos, may gusto kaming kainan ng tinapay doon, Bibso. Wala kaming ano, pera pambili. Wala kaming 1 yen lang ang pera ko dito. Wala akong Chinese money. Look at the camera, Nate. I took your photo.
No, I was supposed to take a picture in the middle. Do it here.
Okay, boss. 1, 2, 3, boss. Okay, let's go, boss.
Why do you always keep saying me, boss?
Because you're my boss, BB boss. My BB
What
boss.
the is that?
What my BB boss? Oh, Nate, I think there's a playground.
Yes!
Nakahanap na laruan ng big boy, oh. Nakakita din ng laruan ng big boy, eh.
Mom, there's no
Okay, together. Mommy also.
There's no slides that there's only swimming because this is China.
Yeah.
It's okay. This is so cool. Hey, Dad, I found a playground. It's right near
Near in the hotel.
the hotel.
Ito, international hotel to, eh. Nandun yung ano, hotel natin, Blossom Hotel. Wait a second.
You can also sit down to lie down. It looks like you're sleeping in the moon, right?
Yeah.
But it's a circle. It's just like the sky. It's down, Mom!
Okay, let's go. Daming prutas, babes, oh. Lahat prutas dito. Ayan na, babe, nakapag-shopping na ang big boy, oh. Ethan, come here. Babe, ayan na yung anak mo. Tapos na mag-shopping ang anak mo, babe. Akin, fruits lang ako. Big boy, oh. Daming pagkain. Nathan, come here, Nate. Excuse me. Nathan! Nate! No, you eat na, Nate.
Okay. No, this.
Mga onta ninyo. Di na magutom ang big boy ani, oh. Nagreklamo to siya kay gutom daw siya kay 4 hours na kami naglakad kanina. Mami, I'm hungry. Ang daming barko talaga dito, ba? Magsawa kayo sa barko dito. Ito yung mga nire-repair na barko, dina-dry dock. Para sa mga insurance nila, hindi sila mabagsak. First time kong nakapunta sa dry dock ng aking foging asawa. Thank you, babe. Pinapunta mo kami dito, babe. I love you, babe. Grabe ang big boy, oh. Tingnan mo ang lips. Sa ano yan? Sa, tawag nito, cherry. Dahil sa cherry, pulang-pulang lips, eh.